fine and to be fanatic with you, I really mix you guys all. So this on the speed math platform today, we're going to be looking at dividing numbers by 9. So we're going to be dividing some numbers by 9, and I'm going to take our example from one digit number. So we're going to be dividing a digit number by 9, and I want you to take a critical look at every bit of today's class, because I'm very happy to communicate across to you visually, and I believe you're very happy with me too. So I still remain Mr. Promise, the Master Oracle, and I want you to pay total attention to today's class so that you'll be able to get the best. And so let's kick it. Let's keep on going. So let's look at this example. So, and I want you to be very, very serious with me, and I don't want you to take any chance at all. So let's look at this. So let's look at this quickly. Now let's have dividing numbers by 9 or whereabout. So then so let's pick writing material. So we are looking at the first example we have here. It's as simple as ABC. Now let's look at this example, 22 divided by 9, and I want you to take a look at this number. So the law is very simple. You write out 2 divided by 9. The first number we have here is 2, so this is our 2, and you see that 2 is less than 9. So how many times can 9 go into? Is 0. Going to be 0. So remainder what? Remainder 2. So you put your point, then you repeat the 2, 2, 2, 2. It's a continuous process. I believe you got that. So it's a very important stuff. It's as simple as that. Let's take a look at the second example. It's also very simple. Now take your basic law again. Look at it. 6 divided by 9. By this time around, going to be 6 divided by 9. Going to be what? Look at it. Now you don't even need to do anything, because 6 is not even up to 9. So if I were you, I would normally put my point. Drop your point. Then what's the number remaining? 6, 6, 6. When you press your calculator, 6 divided by 9 going to be 0.666 continuously like that. So that's as simple as that, and I believe you got it. So let's look at another typical example, and let's take a look at this. Let me pick another pen. Let's take like 4 divided by 9. 4 divided by 9 is not possible. So what you need to do, since the 4 is not up to 9, just drop your point. What? 4, 4, 4, 4. So 4 divided by 9 is going to give us 0.444. Is a continuous process. You keep on doing that, and you see your answer going. I believe that could help a little bit. So let's take another example here right now. Let's take another example. 5 divided by 9. So what we are doing is to divide one digit number by 9. Look at it. Very simple. Okay, I believe you can do that. This is going to be what? 0.555 like that. So maybe you can have 0.556. So you can approximate. So continues like that. and it's not something funny. It's a very interesting stuff that you need to practice. So let's take a look at another example. Now look at this. I believe you can do this for me. It's very simple, and I believe everyone could do that. And I want you to try this right now in the class and give your class teacher the answer. And I believe it's a simple work, simple matrix. It's not just magic, it's mathematics. And I want you to apply this anytime, any day you're dividing a single number by 9, is going to be point that number continuously, continuous division, which is also equal to the divisibility ability of your calculator. I believe you got that. So let's little bit move on. So I still remain Mr. Promise, the math oracle, but now we're going to go forward and look at dividing 2-digit numbers by 9. So we're going to be dividing 2-digit numbers by 9, and I want you to take a critical look at this example because you love it, and I know you guys are smart kids. In the clinic today you're going to do exploit, and I believe in you. And since you're good with multiplying number by 9, I believe some of you could do 9 times 1 to 9 times 10, 9 times 21 to 9 times 100, and you guys have done that before. So right now we're going to apply the skills and get out the best out of this. So take a look at this very well. Speed math is always the easiest way, and the easiest way is always the best way. I believe you're ready for this. Are you ready to count 1, 2, 3? Let's look at this example. 10 divided by 9, 23 divided by 9, 93 divided by 9, 62 divided by 9, 78 divided by 9, and many more. You can form your own 2-digit number and divide it by 9. So let's take this. Look at this. Let me pick a wonderful. Do you like green? Let's use green pen. Look at this guy. 10 divided by 9. Wow, uncle, is this not too hard? It's not hard. It's not hard. So I believe you can do it together. I trust you. I believe in you. Let's do this. So this is just a simple trick. Now look at the number. Now you drop down. What the first digit here? First digit here is 10. Is 1. The first digit is 1. So you drop your 1. So you can see 1. I dropped the 1. Now the next number is going to be 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is 1, right? 1 plus 0 is 1. Now how many times can 9 go in 1? It cannot go. You drop your point. Remainder 1. Then write your 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 continuously, and that is the answer. Isn't it great? Very great. Very wonderful. Simple, right? So let's move to the next. Big number. Wow, 23. Uncle, this bad. Sucks, right? No. So you guys are going to do this again. 23 divided by 9. Wow, isn't that big, uncle? I gotta rack my brain right now. You don't need that. So let's do it. So let's pick our pen. Do you like pink? No, you like red? Okay, let's use what do you want? What do you want to be? Let's use red. Red is for champions. Red is for pioneers. So let's do this now. Are you ready for me? Now will be our law. 23. The first digit here is 3. So write it's 2. First digit here is 2. So put it down. So next is 2 plus the next number 3. 2 plus the next number is 3, and the answer is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. Now kids, look at it very well. 2 plus 3 is 5. So now how many times can 9 go in 5? It's impossible. Drop your point. Yes, remainder 5. So you write it 5, 5, 5, and 5. So the answer continues. You go like that in go around 2.555. You can approximate to 2.556 if you wish. So but this is the permutation. Continue like that. Isn't it simple? I believe it's simple. So let's do this. Very simple. I believe it's simple. So let's move to the next. Are you ready for the next figure? I believe you're ready. What? 98 divided by 9. What a huge number, Uncle. This sucks. I'm gonna count my house out. Will I be drawing a line? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to 98 and grouping nines. Wow, it's very long, big, right? So, but this is very simple. I believe you love blue pen, right? Blue. I pick a blue pen. So now let's do it again. It's very simple. Well, the first digit here is 9. First digit here is 9. Wow, the first digit is 9. We can't write 9 down because 9 can go in 9. So we'll see divide this number by 9. How many times can 9 go in 9? The first digit is 9, but we cannot write 9. Dividing number, anytime you're dividing number by 9, you must not have a 9 answer. It's wrong. Kids, it's wrong. You can't just get it. That is mathematical monsters. Let's go. So we divide the 9 by 9. So how many times can 9 go in 9? 1. Wow, Uncle, I believe that is simple. Wow, it's simple, right? You love it? Okay, so we have 1, right? So what the next is gonna be 1. Look at it. We have 1, right? Oh, cool. 1 remainder what? 1 remainder 0. Nothing is here. 1 remainder 0. So now 1 remainder 0. So how many times can 9 go in 0? It's going to be 0. 0, right? 0 is an error. Good, 0, right? So the next stuff we're going to do is to add the 0 to the next number. The next number is 8. So you have 0 plus 8 is 8. So how many times can 9 go in 8? No, it can't go. You put your point, and what do? You write your 8, 8, 8. And that is the answer. I believe that didn't suck. I believe that's not too boring, Uncle. You're gonna blast my head. Sorry, but that's the answer. So let's take the next number. Wow, at least Uncle right now, Mr. Promise, the math record, I can breathe. At least 62 is not too far. So I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to 62. Wow, but it's very simple. So let's do this. Let's pick a pen. This time I'm going to use red. I believe you love red. Blam, let's go. So what I'm going to do right now is to pick the first numbers. It's not up to 9. It's 6. So you can write our 6. 6. So the next number is 2. You have 6 plus what? 6 plus 2 is 8. So 8. Wow. 8 is the last number. So what do we do? 9 cannot go in 8. 8 divided by 9 is point. You see, it's points. Remainder what? Remainder 8. Write our 8. Write our 8. Write our 8. And that is the answer. Kids to the loving fight. I'm falling in love with math right now. I never knew that it was so simple. I believe simple suck. So let's do this. So we're going to take the last example or whatever. I don't know. But let's just continue with our example. Wow, 78 divided by 9. Math record, I think I'm freaking out right now. Right? No, don't freak out. Let's watch. So, what to pick a pen or which pen do you like? Green? Do you love green? I think I use blue this time around. Blue is for Bola. No, whatever. Blue is for boost. I don't know. That's good. So the first number here is 7. Since 7 is now up to 9. We'll write our 7 down. 7, then the problem we're going to have now is 7, right? 7. So 7 plus 8 going to be 7 plus 8. Who can do that for us? 7 plus 8 is what? 15. 7 plus 8 is 15. I know 15 is bigger than 9. So we can't take the answer. That's bullshit. You can't just write down 15. You can't just write down 1. So we divide it by 9. How many times can 9 go in 15? 1 plus, put it plus 1. Plus 1, you can see, plus 1. So 7 plus 1 is 8. 8, remainder what? Remainder 6. Remainder 6 because 15 minus 9 is 6. Good. 6, kids. You got it? 6. I believe you done the subtraction, so we got 6. 6 is the remainder. So 9 cannot go in 6. So what do you do? So point the 6, 6, 6, 6. And that is the answer. Oh, buddies, I believe you guys got this test just not a magic. I use my head. You love it? So let's move to the next plate and see what we got. Yes, kids, gonna do this for me. I believe it won't suck. Oh, I believe it won't suck that some of guys are gonna have this problem right now. So this is what I would do. I'm gonna help you. I will do only number 8 for you. I'll do number 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4. Let me use red pen. Okay. Number 4. I'll help you with number 4. What's number 4? Number 4 is 80 divided by 9. This is simple. What's the first digit here? We have first digit here is what? 8. You write your 8. So since 8 is not up to 9, so write your 8. So the next number, what do? You add it to the next number. So it's going to be 8 plus 0. 8 plus 0 is what, kids? 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 0 is 8. So, wow. 8 plus 0 is 8. So what do we do? So since 9 cannot go, we put point. Point what? 8, 8, and 8. Did you get that? It's very simple, and I want you to try this at home. I remain Mr. Promise, the math oracle. Do this as your own work, as a class solver, and make sure you practice. Form at least 10-digit number and divide. Form at least 10 2-digit number and divide it by 9, and that is your own work. I believe you enjoyed this, and I believe you got it. So I remain Mr. Promise, the math oracle. So I'm signing out. I love you guys. Yes, love you guys.